Welcome back, another week and a big week. We've made some huge changes, as you can probably see around me and behind me. You're probably wondering what that is. But before we get to that, if you've got a second, you could just hit that subscribe button. It'd be amazing. But enough about that. So as you can see in here, I'm dragging it out. We've got the ceiling, we've got lights, we've got a little bit of paint on the walls, we've got some connections. But enough about that. Let's have a look at our new toy. We've got our new cutting machine. It's in, it's being tweaked. We've got ATZ Motion, say hi.
Hello.
The guys are there just doing the final tweaks before we're allowed the keys, and then we can go play. But this is going to make a big difference and we're really excited. So thank you very much to the guys for doing it and all the patient training that they've been giving us. So we're loving that. And let's go have a look at the rest of the building. Right, reception. We've got lights, we've got the first coats, still a bit of filling and fairing. Obviously that to sort. We've got some heating. We've got staircase initially in black. So that's coming together. Treads will be done with the grip. And generally, carpet in about a week's time. We're in the bathroom. Cupboards are in, ready for the toilet and vanity. We've got the sink all ready to go, running water, heating, first coat of general decoration. Flooring is yet to come. We're in the sewing room. Plastered, painted, illuminated. We've also got the windows now clear. In here, we've now got the suspended ceiling down. That's going to be reinstated, but done properly, with lights, still a little bit dark here. Staircase is now black, looking super cool. Floor is yet to come. Sorry for the wind, I thought I'd bring you outside to look at our lovely new paint job. The burgundy's gone, we're now anthracite. We think it looks cool, hopefully you agree. Thank you for following so far. If you like and subscribe, you'll be able to see what we're doing continually over the next coming weeks, and then hopefully that will be us moving in. But for now, the boys at ATZ Motion have got a lot of training for me to do, so I'll see you soon.